What is up guys, ESR here, back again with another video, and thanks for tuning into the channel where we take a closer look at smartphone and camera tech. So today I'm going to be going over some cases from ESR. ESR was nice enough to send me some cases for the Galaxy S9, so they sent me two of these clear cases and their screen protector, so I'll go ahead and put both of those on and see how they do. Let's do this. ESR Samsung S9 clear case. Okay, cool. So ESR was nice enough to send me their cases for the S9. We'll just throw this one on. They have a couple cases for the Galaxy S9. Looks like they're both clear. This one is a simple clear TPU case. Nothing special about it. Coincidentally, these are some of my favorite ones because I like to show off the back of my phones. Nice glass back there. So first glance, this is a nice case that fits really well. It is a TPU case, so good grip. I would imagine that there's going to be some, fingerprint action on there, but to be honest, I don't really see that many fingerprints on there, so I guess that's pretty cool. Some kind of fingerprint resistance on there. I have other clear cases and they get like all smudged up with finger oils and stuff. So this one has some kind of pattern a little bit that gives it more of a frosted look. You can see if I get it in the right angle, you can see it's a little bit, frosty. Here's your cutouts for the camera and fingerprint sensor. You can get to it no problem. Everything's cool. A little bit of raised edge right there, so no worries on there. Buttons feel good. They're nice and tactile and don't feel cheap. You have a little bit of raised edge on the top and the bottom here, so you can go face down, no worries. It works with the tempered glass screen protector that I have on currently. Assume this one is like a harder plastic one. Huh. Okay, cool. So we'll just set that other one to the side and open this guy. Alrighty. Translucent clear. So this one is translucent clear, the other one is not translucent clear. This one is like a hard plastic back, still got some nice edges, nice and rigid. We'll just drop it in really quick. Boom, fits in real nice, easy to get into. You can see some fingerprint action. This other one is doing a good job avoiding the fingerprints. I like that. Here's this, and it has like this little accent around the camera and fingerprint sensor, which is interesting. It's like this silver accent. Here is the power buttons. Buttons feel a little mushy on this guy. Be aware of that. The buttons on the other case were nice and tactile and felt really good. The camera cutout for this guy is good. No worries putting it on its back. There is some issue getting to the fingerprint sensor right here. So it's not like there isn't like a ridge right there, so you can get to your, let's just say you can feel the edge of the case when you get to your fingerprint sensor, so be aware of that one. Other than that, nice case. So the front has some, there's some raised edges on the front, on the top and the bottom. Lip. There is the cutouts for the USB-C speaker and headphone jack. And everything else looks decently good. So there's that. Not too bad. I think I prefer this other guy on there. Withstands 11 pound, 5 kilogram impact, ultra clear tempered glass screen protector. Seems like everything's good. All the buttons are good. I can get to my apps edge, home. Let's go ahead and try to type some stuff. I'll go ahead and just this is me typing on the ESR. I guess I'm just really bad at typing. Tempered glass. Cool. So you know what? Actually, it works out pretty good. The touch response is good. Everything's cool. So I go drop it in, and it looks like everything's cool with the case. Cases are cool. Everything's good. Alright guys, so if you're interested in these ESR products for the Galaxy S9, they have these two cases. One is a hard translucent clear case and the other is like a flexible TPU case. I like this one. Everything feels really good on this one, so I would definitely recommend this one for sure. Looks good with lilac purple, looks really good. The tempered glass fits on really nicely. So if you're interested in all that stuff, go ahead and check out the links in the description below for these ESR products for the Galaxy S9. Two clear cases and tempered glass. That's it for me, and I'm signing out. My name is ESR, and thanks for tuning into the channel. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Ocean.